Am I audible? Hmm. So just I want to understand the status of I've shared the test paper on the Linux. So just give me the status on that. Everyone. How many classes completed Linux? 9? Okay. So just give me the status of your practice on the test. Have you started or finished? Yet to start? What? Online people. Okay. I will share this story today, everybody. Okay. Thanks, Imran. Mm. Started. Okay. So by the end of the day, everyone, huh? Okay. So guys, please take 1 day time. So today, try to please complete. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. So if possible, please try to complete today. If you put pending for the long time, if it will definitely it will not complete, guys. So try to complete today, everybody, and let's we can. Okay. Any questions? Uh, mostly, guys, these Linux commands are enough, more than enough for the cloud and DevOps point of view. And few classes, I mean, today, tomorrow also I'll take class Linux, and after that I'll stop these classes. Uh, the most important commands: storage, networking, monitoring, processing, and general commands, and users management. So today I'll show SSH related stuff, and tomorrow systemd I'll explain. Systemd is a process. We can run any uh, process on systemd. Like for example, let me share my screen. Okay, let me launch one server. Yeah. So let me connect a server. Okay. Yeah. So please practice discussed commands. I think it will come more than 100 plus, including normal general commands. Uh, I'll discuss today SSH related commands. I mean, just how to generate the token and key and all. So guys, whenever you can launch a server, for example, let me launch a one more server. ECT2 SSH, just name I'm giving like this. So this time I'm creating a key also. Okay, key has stored into my local laptop. Let's create a server now. So I have created a two servers. One is with key and another is without key. Okay. Now you can see here. Yeah. If I connect this server now, AWS CLI commands are different. Linux commands are different, guys. Don't confuse. Okay. Now you can see. hmm, So the key you have given, right? The key, two keys are there. Key pair means one is for public and private. So private key downloaded into your laptop. Public is stored into server inside. Where exactly? .ssh folder inside. Authorized keys inside. Your public key will be stored. Okay. So how to go there? cd command .ssh ls. See, authorized keys are there now. So how to read which command? Cat or vi? Your wish. Cat authorized keys. See, or vi authorized keys. Your wish. See, this is the key. RSA token. So the name of the key is Vera Test DevOps. Clear na? So this is which key, public or private? Hmm? Yeah, this is public key. So irrespective of the private key, in my local already downloaded. So both keys match only the server can allow to connect from external. External means SSH method. If you log in from Mobextrum or Putty or Terminal, all are external requests. Easy to connect is internal request. Clear now? The difference is, yeah. So now, okay, that's great. Now, if you give same key, I'll take Mobextrum or Terminal also fine, guys. Mm. Session, SSH, you can take a public IP. I'm giving a private key. So accept. Your key is correct. Mm. Yeah, your key is correct. So you are able to log in the server. How server able to validate your key? Server inside already key will be stored exactly where .ssh. So these are the commands. So public key will be stored. Authorized keys. Okay. cd.ssh. See authorized keys. So here public key will be stored. And private key will be downloaded to local machine, means laptop. If both keys handshake only, we are able to SSH to server, means connect to server. Okay. For example, this server is there. Which server? This server is there. This server able to connect or not? This server, there is no key. Without key created server. Sudo su. I mean, you can see the key in EC2 user and also root and also, but both are same keys. It's matter of permissions only. Understand? For example, what I'm trying to say, these directories are there, no? All directories. I'll share this document also. These all directories you can see from EC2 user also. Root also, different user also. User, see, when you log in as a user, if you can give /, you can see all the directories. But here the difference is what? Root can also see the directories. EC2 user also can see the directories. Difference is what? Permissions. These are all permissions having for only admin. See, MNT directory is there now. MNT directory for use only for mount the disk, mount the volumes. So each directory we have a specific use case: media, unrun, temporary files, bin, variables, uh, device files, third-party applications, root. These are all home, etc. Any configurations files required, we can go for etc. Any third-party applications want to install, go for here. Yeah, OPT, OPT, etc. And yeah, usually we can do OPT and ETC for any third-party application. If you install Tomcat, go for OPT or ETC like that. MNT disk mounting. Yeah, you can see here. Sudo su. Okay. cd.ssh. Whenever you can create a directory, sorry, whenever you can create a server, automatically .ssh folder will be created in the background. ls. Authorized keys. VI. See, nothing is there. Why? This server created without key, so that inside no keys will be there. For example, now this server want to connect your colleague from external. Understand? But this server already created, right? We cannot attach key. Understand? This server, as this server already created, so they need this server access from external. As you are created without key, our keys will be expired, whatever it is the reason. So what you can do, you can generate a new keys. Okay. For example, you may think here, I don't know, maybe option enable recently. Let me check. Yeah. So this is my key. This key is for second server, right? We cannot attach key to server. Let's see. There is no attach option to key to server. And after create server, there is no option to directly console level manual process to attach a keys into the server. We have a one option. Once you connect the server here, you can generate the keys. Okay. How to generate the keys? SSH hyphen keygen. If you give this command, keys will be generated. You don't want to do anything. Just give enter, again enter, again enter, enter. That's it. Keys will be created. RSA key. So again, if you want to check the keys, where you have to go? CD dot SSH ls. See here, two keys will be created. One is for IDRSA, one is for IDRSA dot public. Okay, guys, you tell me which key I have to share with my colleague to access my server, IDRSA or IDRSA dot public. Hmm? Pub. So, okay, let me show you here. Don't confuse here. My server inside, two keys will be there now. One is for private key, one is public. Guys, in general, tell me which key is local, which key is in system inside. Always public key is inside the system inside, private key is local, right or not? So what you can do? Take this private key and give to your colleague. As public is here, able to handle. Same process, right? When you create a server to attach a key, at the time also public key will be stored here, private key will be downloaded into local only, right? But I have created a server without keys so that later I generated a keys after connecting a server. Now this private key, by using this private key, able to connect external also. Clear na? What I'm trying to say? Okay. For example, go to session now. Okay, remote host. I'm connecting this server from local. Why? Key is already configured. So cat ID RSA. This is the key. Without any spaces, you have to take. Copy. So local, you can store anywhere. Okay. What is the name? ID RSA. Clear? Downloads ID RSA. Okay. Let's now connect session. Which server I'm trying to connect? This server, public IP. Copy. Paste. Select the private key. Accept. Give EC to user. Why not possible? Hmm? Doesn't matter. Okay, got it. Tell you. Copy. Paste. Okay. Reset hyphen user. So the problem is, I'll tell you what I thought. Okay. So guys, let's go to EC2 hyphen user. SU hyphen EC2 hyphen user. ls cd dot ssh ssh hyphen keys in ls. I'll tell you wait. Cat RSA. Oh, save. Let's go to public key, public IP. Why? Is it hyphen user? Let's give permissions. Oh, I have changed permissions, right? Sorry. cd dot ssh. Okay. chmod 400 id rsa. ls hyphen l. Let's try now. It should work. Which server I'm trying? Okay. Public IP, advanced SSH settings, ID RSA. Not support authentication method available. Public key. Press return to exit tab. Why this issues? Let's give all permissions. Right. This is considered as a .txt, right? This text taking it right. Explicitly we have to give right. Uh, Rename .pem. Not supported, right? Let's try now. Fresh session. Copy. Why so? Hmm? Lele. Yeah, both are coming, right? Okay, I'll take one thing. We should select others format actually. PEM file. Okay, let's take again. Cat IDRSC. You should select all files, otherwise it will read. Okay, downloads. Let's cancel a few sessions. Okay, again you can connect. Hmm. What happened? It should work, right? Okay, let me regenerate one more time. Something we have given, it will not allow maybe. The permissions, full permissions I have given. cd.ssh rm-rf remove. Okay, ssh keygen home is hyphen user rsa. Okay, okay, ls cd. Hello. Ah, hello. అంకుల్ నేను క్లియర్ అండి. నేను 9 అయింది. నేను క్లాస్‌లో నేను మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. Okay. So IDRSA pub. Okay. So we have a two keys, right? So cat, you can take now IDRSA. Let's try. Copy. So enter time is taking for this only. Delete. should not come any spaces actually. Okay, save. Let's try new key. I'll try copy. 43. Why this is not allow? Oh, no, no, no. It's permissions. Let's check. Hmm? PEM converter. ls-l. It should work. Yeah. Read. Oh, chmod. 744 IDRSA. Let's try one more time. Press R. EC2-user. Generate from EC2-user. I'll do one thing. It should work. Click on server. Connect. SSH client. Let's take this command. Sorry, take this command. Invalid format, guys. Huh? అప్పుడే వర్క్ అయిందా? ఓకే. డౌన్లోడ్స్ రీడ్ చేయదా? Okay, I'll do one thing. So cat vi, let's see the public key. Root. Root. So downloads, it will not work, huh? Okay, you mean to see copy. You're saying like this? I think format issue. Now let's try this time. Copy advanced SSH settings private key dot SSH. No, it's not working. remove dot pemma. One more time. This one also try. Maybe this is double pem maybe reading. You also true. Are you sure? Want to change? Yes. This time I'll try. Issue is not key. The method. I mean, unable to format issue, right? So key name issue, I think. No, no, no. ChatGPT saying give permission .sh folder also. I have given, right? Earlier it should work. I don't know why this is not working now. See, permissions already there. Okay, let's give .sh also. ls-l, ls-ld, is-user, is-user. Okay, chmod. VI authorizer case. Copy, paste. Private key. Let's try one more time. Sorry, user, right? EC2 hyphen user. No, I don't know why this is not allowing now. Can use notepad plus plus save the private key with extension dot pem and without. Mm. Okay, got it. So you are saying, got it, got it. Good idea. Control A, Control C. Control S. No, it's not allowing. IDRSA.pub. Okay, I'll do one thing, yes. Got it. I'll do one thing. ls. Oh, I'm doing wrong actually. cdssh. This way is not working, right? We can try it different way. This way also should work anyway. So your colleague want to connect this server, right? Actually, so different way also we can do. Ask your colleague to generate the keys first in his laptop. For example, I want to connect this server. So I'm requesting to, so what I'm going to do, in local also you can generate the keys from here. Clear na? Same command, ssh hyphen key gen. Clear na? So where to go and check? Dot ssh Windows users. Same command I have generated from my laptop. So dot ssh, right? You can see the time 8:55, 8:54. Two keys generated, right? 8:54. Which one is public? This is public. This is private. Now I have to share one of the key to who want to give the permission to me, right? Which key I need to share to them? Public or private? So if I give one key to them, they can add it to the server inside. So which key they will add inside the server? Server inside private key or public key? Don't confuse. Server inside always public key. Local private key. Two keys generated. This is private. This is public. Which key I have to share to with them? Public key. So I have to share this key to them. You can add this key. I can access. Okay. Copy. Okay. Go to here. Where to add the key? Authorizer keys, right? Authorizer keys inside. You can ignore above one. Paste it. Clear na? Okay. Now he can try to connect SSH remote host. Copy. Which key I have to select now? Which key? This key, right? I have given this key only right before. I have stored it in the server. Okay. I'm confusing. Open. Why? Okay, I'll do one thing is maybe server. Let's go to the servers instance. Let's try with second server. Let's connect this server. Instance connect. cd.ssh ls vi authorizer keys. It should work 100%. Shift right arrow to move quickly. Enter. I'm adding now this key. Copy. Okay. Let's connect second server now. Public IP. Private key. Which private key? .ss inside. This one, right? EC2 hyphen user. See, working right. Yeah. Then what happened for the first server? See, I'm giving only this key only, right? No, just generated key. For example, my inside this key along with the server created, right? Can I terminate this? Yes, no problem. Already my end one key is there private, one key is there into the server inside. Okay. Okay. So what you can do today, generate the keys. The command is what? SSH hyphen keys in and take the key. Don't give any permissions. No need to give anything. Okay. SSH hyphen keygen to generate the keys from local laptop and take the IDRSA dot public. Take the IDRSA dot public and paste it into authorized keys. Authorized keys. So then connect server. After try to SSH by navigating private key. Clear? Uploading private key. So try this today and let me know tomorrow. Your end any issues will come. So please use the Telegram chat to think the issues. Yeah. Okay. Clear? Yeah, maybe you can try. Your end also same issue means we'll see tomorrow again. Okay. Thank you. Bye. So please complete, guys, that Linux commands are the given. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.